Guys, I'm Devin, and today we are going to talk about Harry Potter movies versus the books. But first, here is my very nice friend.
Hi guys, my name is Kendall.
So, we wanted to talk about the movies because, well, the movies are great, but comparing them to the books, it's not as good. Because, for instance, you can't tell where you are in the movies. Like, are we in Scotland? Are we in Britain? Are we in Hagrid Hut? Or are we in the Hogwarts? We can never tell. But in the books, it always said that we were at Hogwarts, we were in the Great Hall, and it didn't show as much in the movies.
Yeah, I definitely agree. The books are way more descriptive, and I really enjoy most of the books.
Also, lots of characters were missing because in the books there was Peeves the Poltergeist who got on everyone's nerves, and he was not in the movies. So when I watched it, I was like, "Oh, he's not in it," and that was very disappointing. And so also Professor Binns, who was their teacher, who was actually a ghost, was not in it, and that was disappointing because he flew through walls and it wasn't in it. So there are many characters missing, and I just think the books were way better.
Yeah, I definitely think that the books are better. They give more of a descriptive type of thing. So,
Also in the movies, they always showed them out of their Hogwarts robes, and they were constantly in it. They never had time to get out of it. Also in all of their classes, they mostly went on adventures when it was mostly classes. You go to school for classes, not for recess. So I didn't really understand the movies. They added lots of characters. They added different scenes I want in the books, like when Hermione punched Malfoy. I do not remember that from the books. That was in the third movie. I barely remember that from the books. And so I just think the books are way better.
yeah, I think that when you're reading something and then you go and see a movie and it's you don't even have anything that's barely in the movie from the book.
Like the movie The Hobbit, for instance. It was barely like the book because I started reading it. I admit that I did not finish it because I got very bored. But I started reading it, and it was nothing like the movie. So, but I think that's it. That's the end of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch all the other ones, and thank you for watching. Bye.